mawasiliano.
Thank you very much. Na asante kukuja.
Commander, how are you?
This is the team. This is the president of the Kamasuk Time. He's the president. Now where is the neighbor?
Yeah, my boss one day.
Yeah, your boss.
One day session.
Yes. This is my deputy director. Yeah, maternity. Then this is Dr. Sioi.
Dr. Choka, Treasurer, okay. Dr. Daniela Munene, Vice President. Dr. Tabitha Kimani, Vice President, ESK. Dr. Paul Mwaniki, former President, ESK. Dr. Ivy Vatemo, CEO, ESK. Tunaweka hapa leo. Dr. Juliet Konje, next member, ESK. Dr. Kadare Joseph, Vice President, ESK. Dr. Mungoma, one of the next members, ESK. Dr. Aniz Raimtula, one of the oldest CAM pharmacy, member of NEC. Dr. Irene from Nyanza branch. Dr. Idris, Chairman of Council of Kirgoya and Kirinyaka. Dr. Karanja, Chairman Central PSK. Dr. Nimo Wairimu, running for PSK President. Dr. Dominic Karanja,